Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. Alright guys, for this first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with these two plastic candy containers that I've already used in a previous project, and they're just from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is paint them, one in white and one in black. I'll be using these gold leaf wall stickers from Dollar Tree. And now I'm just going to be hot gluing them together. Next, I'm going to be using this gold bling strip, and it's from Amazon. I'm just going to use some scissors to cut off the excess sticker that's hanging over, and yeah, here's what it looks like, guys. I styled it with some tea light holders that I made from a previous DIY. I just flipped them over and added some tea lights, and yeah, I really do love it. What do you guys think? For this next DIY, I'm going to be using this apothecary jar as well as these butterfly wall stickers from Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be using these gold, pearl, and bling stickers from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to be adding some diamond base filler and some fairy lights, and yeah. Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I'll be back on Sunday at 6 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.